Alright, hi guys, it's Waterfall, video, so, yeah, I hope you enjoy. Oh god, what the fuck?
Alright, let's stop here. Not in that bad. It's gonna be.
Oh my god, mate.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm literally scared of heights, bro. What the fuck? Holy shit. Gang, this is actually peak. What the fuck? I've seen nature, man, honestly. It's actually tough here. All the bluebells down there. Low-key tough. Oh, imagine sitting here and you just sit here at the night, just doing just staring at the sky. That would low-key be kind of cool. My guilt, look, it's all straight now, no bumps now. It's just have to walk up. Oh my god, sun's finally now. More benches.
Let's see here.
Right, let's go then. I've chugged my apple juice, so yeah. Whoa! Oh my god, palm tree! Oh fuck! Wow.
Another dinosaur stuff.
I don't know, Jessica. We're going up. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can fucking hear it. No fucking way. Oh my days.
And then that further,
Oh my god.
and then it's just way down. That's so cool.
Yeah, here we go. Holy sharp. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at that down there. Mummy was. Oh, don't drop phones.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking look at phones. That's
Oh,
Holy shit.
what the fuck is that?